What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour update of the quadplex before we start wrapping it all up. I know it doesn't look close to done, but we're almost there. I'm in this unit. I'm gonna give you a little quick tour. Basically the other side, we'll go check it out, but it's a little bit dark in there. I haven't got the lights on. But if you can see in here, we are moving forward. Fresh doors, fresh windows. The kitchen is looking good, and we got a whole bunch of things patched up. You can see all these patches right here. That was done yesterday, I think, and so they're pretty fresh. We need to get those covered up. And then we just got some vanities delivered. I'll show you those in a second. You can't see the flooring right now, but you'll see it when I give a full tour once we're done. The paint job needs to have a lot of things fixed. You can kind of see like that, the overspray. It is what it is. Let's see if this, we got lights. The color of the walls actually, so that's something I should probably point out. I know it looks a little bit beige, and I'm not sure yet if it's because the windows are covered up or the reflection of the paper on the flooring. I don't think that will change much because the floor is brown, but it's supposed to be a popular gray. That's the color we chose from Lowe's, popular gray. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed in the color. It's not that it's a bad color. It's just not exactly what I imagined. I thought it would be a little bit more bright. I think maybe in the video it shows up more bright. But maybe if I come down here, I don't know. It looks all right, but I was originally gonna go with a white, or at least like close to a white, like maybe like an eggshell. But I chose not to do that based on the fact this is gonna be a rental. I've learned my lesson with white. It looks so much better, but it gets ruined over time, and I do plan on keeping these 4 units. I don't know why the color didn't turn out. Like, tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me if it's okay. Also, this is like off the cuff type video. I'm just rolling with it. You see a little bit of, see that? So, I just showed up because the vanities were getting delivered, and I figured, hey, let me make a video. We don't have the carpet yet installed. That's gonna get done probably last, but we also need to get some more paint. This is something that I probably should have handled earlier on and been more specific about with one, the electricians. I probably should have talked about it. There was some sort of plastic piece that was from the top of the wall all the way down to the bottom that wasn't removed during demo, and then wasn't exactly canceled when the electricians came through. That is like that in 2 units, and I probably should have brought that up early on. You can see we got some shelves made, put in the closet. We got these doors put on. The bathrooms are a little bit dark. I don't have any lights in here. Let's see if you guys can see it. But we have, yeah, you can kind of see it. We have tile, brand new bathtubs in all 4 units. They look exactly the same. We have a couple more things to fix in here. This project's been rocking and rolling. I've been super proud of it. So let me show you outside. You can see too the doors. We need to get the doors painted. They haven't been painted yet. We got these code locks, which just makes it easier for management over time. You can put like something like 12 to like 20, I don't know, a lot of codes. Individual tenants can each have a code. You can have a maintenance code, you can have an owner's code. So it's really useful. Let me show you the outside. Like I said, this is just a pure rolling with it video. You can see the outside, we got it all painted up. We got some outside fixtures. I'm excited to see those lit. You can see the windows. We do have a little bit of a situation that should be getting sorted out hopefully today on the windows, and I'll show you here. You can see the gap, right? These buildings weren't built right, and so the brick was not the best brick layers, I guess. And so when they did it, I don't know why they did it this way, but they didn't line it up right. See how big that gap is? I mean, someone, one of our contractors, their daughter lost the phone down that, and they had to bust out the other side of the wall to get their phone back. So that's just what we have to come up with a solution. We're probably going to trim it out. Oops. Okay. Oh, it's already open. That's the reason why. There we go. Okay. So here's our 1-bedroom units. You see same color paint. We got the cabinet doors are going to go on this weekend, I think. We do have granite countertops. They are covered up right now because of paint, obviously. We had a whole lot of patching that we had to do in here. I'm sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but like I said, this is just a random video that I'm gonna be posting. See if the lights, yep. So you see we got a light in the bedroom, a couple more patches, real simple. These are pretty spacious. I mean, for someone that's a single individual that wants to live close to downtown, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be perfect for someone. I don't have a light in here, but you can see the bathroom. It's a nice thing. We're gonna have a nice vanity right here. I might go and show you those in a second. But yeah, we're moving forward on this. Some of the biggest learning lessons on this project. Probably pushing forward faster in the start. There was probably about a month or two, I don't know why, I was trying to be very strategic, and I probably should have just been pushing faster on those. I was trying to go step by step, and I wish I would have been having, 2 to 3 trades per week. Instead, I was doing 1 trade per week. So it did slow us down a little bit, and that's just my fault being a project manager on this. I wish I would have ordered the windows sooner, and those could have come a lot faster. Because I had to hold the cost, I was waiting out for as long as possible, but even still, with supply chain, I mean, it took forever for this, for the windows to get here. Still worked out fine. We decided I was gonna do drywall, like kind of just a simple drywall all the way around, make it real nice and clean. Instead, we went with the trim, and I actually prefer the trim. What else? If I was to go back, I tried something different on this. I did not go with stock cabinets. I went with custom made cabinets, and the pricing was fine, but then on the back end, when you get them painted, it costs more, and I probably should have just gone with regular cabinets from Lowe's, Home Depot, or another place that's already pre-painted. We were planning to go a different color with them, and that's one of the reasons why I chose to go with custom cabinets, because we were gonna get them custom painted. Plans changed, and so we decided to just go with the white. Design is not my favorite aspect. I love designing, or like the finished product of design, but I can't tell you that I'm the best. Partially colorblind. So I struggle with picking out colors. Making sure paint was done right. I don't know if you can see some of this. There's a couple spots. Double checking everything is complete, especially around the holidays, is a little bit fast paced, and making sure to stay on top of projects and making sure they're done to the quality. Sometimes when it comes around the holidays, I'm a little bit nicer because I enjoy Christmas. And so just making sure that everything's done to how you expect it to be and want it to be and paid for and had the contract written out to be. but we're getting it started. Let's see, I don't know if the lights, yep, lights are on in here. So here's the other 1 bedroom. See that? We got some patches that needed to be done. It's looking clean. It's the same layout, it's real simple. The flooring is gonna look really good once they take up all this paper. I'm excited for these countertops to be seen. We're also gonna do backsplash for the kitchen. We did do uppers in the 1 unit, in the 1 beds. We didn't on the 2 beds. And I think it's gonna look a little bit more stylish in the 2 beds. But we are gonna probably do floating shelves. This is a real spacious room. I mean, for a single individual, this is gonna be really nice. Yeah, so when you're doing multiple units, it's not like Chip and Joanna Gaines, right? Where you are changing up every single unit. You're not making everything different. You're doing the same flooring throughout the whole entire place. If you want to stay on budget, maybe you get a property cheap enough and you're able to work it in where you can do different things on every single unit. But most of the time, because you want to save cost, you're just doing the same thing across the board. Small variations, but the same thing. So same tile, same flooring throughout the whole place once we get that lifted up. The same exterior doors, so it all looks identical. The paint, bought all the same paint. Yeah, you just want to make sure that you are calculating that in the cost and you're not trying to get too creative, which is going to make you lose a lot of money over time. So this is a fun project. It's almost to the end, and I know this is just like a full-on straight video all the way through, but I wanted to get a quick video before we finish up where it still kind of looks like a little bit of a construction zone, and we should be ready to rent hopefully in the next 2 to 3 weeks, where I'll do a full tour, detailed, with it all looking good. I'm gonna try and give a detailed explanation of all the things that went wrong, all the things that went right, things that would have changed, more in depth, come up with more of a plan to film. But I wanted to get this video out so you guys could see where we're at right now going into 2023. But I'm excited for this year. I think this year is gonna be a big year. I don't know what's gonna happen in the market. I don't know what's gonna happen in real estate. I have my opinions, and I can definitely talk about those. So if you want some opinions that I think the world's gonna go into from me, put it down in the comments. Tell me if you want that. I'm excited about this year. That's all I can say. Yeah, drop a like, or like this video, drop a comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And I want to do some really big things this year with the channel, so stay tuned.